The TMC is making against the central government is slamming the Prime Minister's roadshow after the Republic Day event, saying why is the Prime Minister converting a dignified spectacle like the Republic Day show into a political roadshow? This is a day to celebrate our defence forces and the public of India. Today should not be yet another politics-driven personality cult projection, is what the TMC is saying. We have Tejasri joining us to get us more on this. Tejasri, the TMC, trading barbs at the central government for the roadshow of the Prime Minister, saying that this could have been done any other day but the Republic Day.
Well, you see, TMC actually needs to clarify on what grounds they have been talking about, on what kind of politicization has been done as far as the Republic Day is concerned. These kind of questions are definitely being asked by the BJP as of now. Because if we talk about what Sagarika Ghosh, the TMC MP, has been saying, she in fact has been questioning so as to why the entire parade of Republic Day, the entire function of Republic Day was turned into a roadshow. Because in all likelihood, she is pointing out at that point of time when Prime Minister was in fact, after the program ended, was waving it at people, which he usually does. Remember that this is not for the first time. Earlier also, we have seen such kind of instances where Prime Minister meets people who are sitting in the lobby. He meets them, he greets them. In fact, he has a special relation with children, special connection with children. So he often goes to the children and meets them. We have also seen the pictures on the Independence Day as well. But now talking about what TMC has been talking, TMC has been hitting out over this entire Republic Day event, then in fact, in all likelihood, there's also a high possibility that they might be talking about the song Vande Mataram as well, and the manner in which all the tableaus were presented there. Because the BJP has been saying that in all the matters, it is TMC who has to politicize. Republic Day is all about nationalism and the nationalistic feeling that each and every Indian holds, and the TMC always has an agenda to oppose the nationalism. They have the tendency of working in parallel lines of anti-nationals. This is what the BJP has been raising guns at. Now needs to be seen that how this controversy escalates and on what grounds TMC is actually talking about this Republic Day event turning into a political roadshow.
Right. We also have Priyanka Tibrewal of the BJP joining us. Thank you so much, ma'am, for speaking with us here. A very happy Republic Day to you. And of course, the TMC there attacking the BJP for the roadshow of the Prime Minister, saying this is a day to pay a tribute to the armed forces, to the defence forces, and also the public of the country.
See, it is the love and the affection which the Prime Minister of a country gets from the public. And if somebody is jealous about this, then nothing can be done. Sagarika Ghosh, you can just simply understand that, how it is pinching to them, because every time she praises a chief minister who is responsible for violence in West Bengal, but she doesn't fail to praise her. And so you can very well understand that these kind of people are only, for their own benefit, they are in politics. People like Sagarika Ghosh.